And now a running test so you can have an idea on how they work and how they cope while running, using all the possible stabilizations on both of them. Yeah, I know, I should train more and stay in shape because these runs are killing me. Well, today we have a nonsense comparison between the DJI OSMO ACTION and the SONY A7 III, using 3 Axies gimbals. On the DJI OSMO ACTION we have the Feiyutech WG2X, and on the SONY A7 III, my favorite one, the Weebill app. Well, this is just a test to show you guys on how two completely different cameras can compete to each other when you kinda match them on a similar setup. On the Sony, I was using the Zeiss 16-35 f4 lens, and on the DJI OSMO ACTION, well, the DJI OSMO ACTION lens built in. And I can already see the first comment: the DJI OSMO ACTION horizon level isn't straight. Well, I know. I find out later that I can recalibrate it with the app on the Feiyutech, so yeah. Now it's calibrated, so don't bother with that. I wasn't going a second time out to reshoot all the comparison shots. Now the horizon level is straight. Before jumping on the footage, I will make a short review of the Feiyutech WG2X. In the box you will find a great softshell case that contains the Feiyutech WG2X stabilizer, a great mini tripod stand and some accessories to mount your action camera on your stabilizer, and some standard action camera mounts. They added also a mini USB charging cable and the standard use and manual papers. This stabilizer is actually mostly designed for the GoPro series, but I didn't find any problems mounting it with the DJI OSMO ACTION. On the right side there is the power button, and holding it, it will power on the gimbal. On the other side there is the power charging port. The battery charges up in about an hour. At the back side there are the shutter buttons and the mode button. Let's go straight to the functions. A single click on the mode power button and you will enter panning mode. Double click and you enter follow mode. Triple click and you can enter the flip 180 selfie mode. On the fourth click you can enter auto rotation mode, where you can program a rotation movement of your gimbal. Double clicking the back mode button you will recenter the gimbal. The WG2X can be controlled via Wi-Fi with your phone on the Feiyutech app, and you can have an advantage to control all the settings like filming modes, settings, and there is also a joystick option to control fully the WG2X rotation in 360 degrees. Well, we are ready for a weird dogfight. And this is the vlog test. On my left is the DJI OSMO ACTION using the Feiyutech stabilizer and using also the rock steady option on. On my right hand is the Weebill lab with the SONY A7 III turned on all the image stabilization on the Sony, so you can have an idea on how it looks. And yeah, I am filming all of this in 4K 24 frames per second. And now a running test so you can have an idea on how they work and how they cope while running, using all the possible stabilizations on both of them. And we are on the part that I should actually conclude something. Well, I don't see with the Rocksteady option that you have to actually use a gimbal. The Rocksteady option is excellent and it's really doing a great job. But if you want that total horizon straight look with an added gimbal, yes, you will have a hyper Rocksteady footage with the DJI OSMO ACTION. In the other hand, when you actually add some weight on your hand using the Weebill app and the Sony, the footage looks really close to the DJI OSMO ACTION and on the Feiyutech stabilizer. In the other hand, when you take out the SONY A7 III from the Weebill app and use it only with the OSS 1635 and the steady shot built in, the DJI OSMO ACTION Rocksteady option without the gimbal blows away the SONY A7 III. But yeah, judge for yourself and let's have a talk in the comment section down below. This was actually a nonsense comparison. That's all for today. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell ring icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.